Alright guys, so today I'll be showing you on how to change your bearings on your penny board. What you need is this tool, which is going to allow you to unlock the nuts on the penny board. You need this to remove the bearings, and you'll need your bearings themselves. So I'm just going to show you how to undo one wheel, and then the rest should be repetitive. So in the interest of time, you can just see one, because of course the rest are exactly the same. So let me just go ahead and undo these. As you can see, I've already done one, so I will be doing the second one right now. So you take that out, place it in the same way you took it out. You'll see another ring here, which you extract. Now you're gonna get your hands dirty, but you can't really avoid that. Put it on top. Then you remove the wheel, place it there. There should be another ring somewhere here, where we can quickly just get it out. Like so. Place it there, and then of course you'll have the wheels themselves. So the best way to go about it, let me just put this camera down. So you'll need to go to the front side, insert a screwdriver, and then just start lifting it and circling slowly, and that should do the trick. Well, just be careful while you're doing it, because you can hurt yourself if you're not careful. So sometimes it can be a bit tricky depending on how long they've been in there, and for me it's been in there for more than 2 years now, so they need replacing really badly, and hence it's being a pain. So there you go, there's one out. What the other thing is going to pop out is basically this, which is the separator, and you put this aside as well. And then you do the same for the bearing on this side. It should be the most this is basically the most painstaking part of the process that I've been able to find up until now, and I shall discover more once I start adding the new bearings, which are the Bones Reds is what I've got. So yeah, that's basically out now, and that's what you have in your entire wheel. So this has been the wheel removal section, and now you'll join me shortly for the time when I'll be adding back the new bearings. So, second bearing. That's first. Bearing second. Spacer. With the spacer just disappeared somewhere. So yeah, that's in. Get the spacer. Where's it going? This one part, spacer's inside. Continue bearing in on top. Then what you'll need to do is press it in. So I'll take this tool and just press the sucker in, so it's in and fitting properly. Now we're at the final ring, we have the final bolt, and we tight only up until the point where there's a small play between the wheel and the nut. So let's tie this in. So hear that? So there should be this amount of gap. Okay, that's how you put them back in, and I think those are the two main steps you need to replace your bearings, and that's been it. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.